Hey guys, there's a question that people keep asking, and the question involves, do they need a partner or not? And that seems like a simple question, but the answer really isn't all that simple. One of the things we've covered here in other videos is the fact that being an internet entrepreneur can be isolating to some degree, because you may find yourself suddenly making more money than you've ever made. You're working from home, you're working your own hours, but your social circle, the people that are your friends and family, they still have 9-to-5 jobs out there in the three-dimensional world. And so you find that you're now spending most of your time kind of by yourself. That can be a blessing and a curse. It just depends on your personality and how you function. There's a reason that there are a lot of entrepreneurs who basically use Starbucks or some other local coffee shop as their office, and that's because they need the stimulation of other people and the background noise and the activity around them in order to do their best work. So, whether or not you need a partner isn't just a question of workload. It's a question of your personality and the type of environment you like to work in. Now, with that said, another reason that people bring on a partner is for additional capital. So if you're looking to take my course, or you're looking to buy your first pallet of merchandise from China and have it shipped to Amazon, and you're trying to scrape together the $1,500 or $2,000 that you'll need for the product, bringing in a partner who has similar goals and similar interests, and who can also bring some capital into the equation, may not be a bad idea. But choose your partners carefully. You want to make sure that you do have similar goals, and you also want to make sure that you're kind of in the same place in terms of learning curve. You probably don't want a partner who's already been on Amazon for a year or two if you're a complete newbie, because you're just going to see things differently, and you're going to end up probably with some conflict and some tension there. Be beneficial to you meeting your business goals. So just bear that in mind. I've always encouraged people that attend my seminars to bring with them their spouse, their girlfriend, boyfriend, a neighbor, maybe who they've talked to and who they know has a similar interest in getting started online. And I think, I don't have any hard data on this, but I think those people who have, the support of another individual, whether it's a spouse or a neighbor or someone who really knows what they're trying to accomplish and knows the potential of their endeavor, I think the support of even just that one person can be extraordinarily valuable to someone who's new to this, and where this is their first go around with starting any kind of business, or at least starting an online business. Having somebody who kind of shares that vision with you, that you can talk to, bounce ideas off of, and you can kind of form that mutual support group. I think having a partner can be a very valuable part of the equation in that particular circumstance. So it may not be a definitive answer, but I hope I brought up a few points that you may not have considered on your own in determining if you need a partner or not. The isolation can be an issue. Having somebody who can support you in pursuit of your goals, who really understands it. Hopefully we all have another person in our lives who supports us, but knowing specifically what it is that we're doing and what we're trying to accomplish, that support can be much more effective. So sometimes that is a significant other in the form of a spouse or a girlfriend, or it is a business partner. So look at these things. Keep these different motivations in mind for having a partner. There is no reason to have one if you don't need a partner, if you don't want a partner. But there's no reason not to have a partner if that works out best for you. Because the biggest thing is, once you have a successful business, you really don't want the distractions of conflict and anxiety and things of that nature that a bad partnership might bring to the equation. So, this is a vague answer. The answer is going to be ultimately unique to each individual. But just take these things that I've mentioned into account when you're making that decision for yourself. And if you haven't done so already, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos soon. Thank you.